Hi, my name is Teacher Mini and I am from AAA Online English. Today I'm going to teach you 5 phrasal verbs. So what are phrasal verbs? They are mostly used in spoken English and informal text. Alright, so for our first phrasal verb, we have come across something, which means find unexpectedly. For example, I came across these old photos while I was tidying the closet. Alright, so our next phrasal verb is come down with something, meaning become sick. So you usually use this phrasal verb when someone is not feeling well. For example, my nephew came down with chickenpox this weekend. Alright? And our next phrasal verb is cut in, meaning interrupt. So you usually use this phrasal verb when there is an ongoing action and you interrupt, you cut it. For example, my father cut in while I was dancing with your uncle. Okay? Our next phrasal verb is cut something off, which means stop providing. For example, the phone company cut off our phone because we didn't pay our bill. Okay? And lastly, we have drop someone or something off, which means take someone or something somewhere and leave it there. Okay, so you usually use this phrasal verb when you take someone to a place where they want to be and then you leave them there and you go ahead wherever you want to go. For example, I have to drop off my sister at work before I come over. Alright, so there you go. You just learned 5 phrasal verbs and I hope you will use it whenever you speak to someone who speaks English. Thank you. Bye.